Exploring Mutianyu, a hiker's guide to the Great Wall. Mutianyu, known for its breathtaking scenery and well-preserved architecture, offers one of the best hiking experiences on the Great Wall of China. Less crowded than Badaling, this section features lush greenery, gentle slopes, and stunning watchtowers, making it ideal for travelers seeking a scenic yet manageable hike. To start your journey, take the cable car up for a panoramic view before beginning your hike along the wall's winding paths. The moderate inclines and restored pathways ensure a comfortable experience, while the surrounding mountains create a picture-perfect backdrop for an exhilarating descent. Consider taking a toboggan ride down, adding an extra thrill to your adventure. For a seamless and stress-free visit, BusDa provides a professional bus tour service with an English-speaking guide, ensuring you get the most out of your experience. Our tour departs from a convenient meeting point, allowing you to enjoy a hassle-free journey with no shopping stops, no detours, and no scams, just a pure and enriching exploration of the Great Wall. Join BusDa's Mutianyu tour for a well-organized, comfortable, and memorable experience. Let us take care of the logistics, while you focus on the beauty and history of this world-famous wonder.